Hello everyone, for the 6th standard English, we have completed elements of sentence. Now today we are going to have about the 5th topic, that is agreement of the verb with the subject. Look at the following. I am 12 years old. You are late. He is a clever boy. They are angry with her. Okay. So these 4 sentences contain the verb be form and the same tense, simple present tense, but the verb is not the same in all the subject. The verb agrees with subject. That means if I is written, we use am. If he is there, we use is. If they is there, we use are. So these all sentences are from the simple present tense, but the verbs are different. A verb must agree with its subject, its number and a person. That means it should be agree with the subject. Because here I we cannot use is. We cannot use are. Is always used am. With the singular we always use is. With the plural we always use are. So it is saying that the verb should be agree with the subject and number and its person. Remember, with I we use always am. You, we, they we use are. He, she, it we use is. Then I, he, she, it we use was. You, we, they we use were. I, you, we, they we use have. And he, she, it we use has. Okay. We think of an amount of money, a period of time, a distance of weight, or as one thing, so we use singular verb such subject like rupees 900 seems a lot of money for a shirt. For years is a long time to be without a job. 10 kilometers is quite long walk. Here it is given that if amount of money or period of time or distance if we are considering one, that is we use as in singular verb. Okay. Name of the thing which have 2 parts like spectacles or glasses, scissors, trousers, pants, jeans, pajamas, etc. are plural. So they take as a plural verb. Your spectacles are on the table. His trousers were dirty. My jeans need washing. News is a singular and therefore takes a singular verb. Like the news is surprising. The news is at 6:30 on channel 4. Okay. Subject name like mathematics, physics, economics take a singular verb. Maths is my favorite subject. The noun police has a plural meaning, takes a plural verb. So the police have arrested my neighbor. After one of, the plural noun is verb singular. Like one of my brothers lives in Iran. Means one of my brothers. Means he is talking about one of his all brothers. So here he is talking about one brother. When a plural noun or pronoun follows either of, neither of, any of, none of, we can use singular plural verb. A plural verb is often used in spoken English. Neither of them knows her address. I don't think any of the books is worth buying. Means here you can use is or are both. Okay. So here you need to know about this, that in the sentences beginning there is a real subject, some comes after the verb, like there is a singular noun, there is a man at the gate, there are 5 people. So here we need to see there is an actual subject is after the verb. So we have to see that if 5 people are there, that means there is a plural. So it is we have to use are. There weren't any eggs in the fridge, so like that you need to do it. Okay, so in this you have understand that where and for what we have to use the to be form, and it should be connected with the subject. Okay, whether it is singular we have to use like that. Okay, if it is a plural we have to use like that. Okay, so we have seen about the rules. Okay, now there is an exercise given here, in that you have to choose the correct word from the bracket and fill in the blanks, like there dash 7 girls in the class. Okay, so I told you that if there is there, but you have to see that the subject is afterwards. So here it is talk about 7 girls. So 7 girls means more than one, so you have to use are, not is. Economics is an interesting subject. His pajamas is too long. But 12 kilometers is a long way to walk every day. One of the photos was lost. My spectacles are broken. 10 minutes is allowed to speak each speaker. Okay, like this way you have to solve this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.